Welcome to our tutorial on how to share a rotated photo on Facebook Story with the latest updates. Let's dive into the simple steps to add a creatively rotated photo to your Facebook Story. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap on Create Story to initiate the process of sharing a rotated photo on your Facebook Story. You can select a photo from your gallery or opt to take a new photo using the in-app camera feature. Once you have chosen the photo you wish to share, you can easily rotate it by simply tapping on it with 2 fingers and adjusting the orientation as desired. After you have achieved the perfect rotation for your photo and are satisfied with the result, proceed by tapping on the Share button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly enhance your Facebook Story with creatively rotated photos, adding a unique touch to your storytelling and engaging your audience in a new and exciting way. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy sharing your rotated photos on Facebook Story.